Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through this brand spanking new 280 Sea Ray SLX that just arrived. This is a model year 26, guys. Beautiful boat. It's got the full whole side color option, and you can see we did this boat in black. It's got the black rub rail with the stainless insert. You've got cleats throughout the whole boat, forward, midship, and aft. You've also got the fender pros throughout to hang your fenders so that you don't beat your boat up when you're docking it. Great option to have. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, here we are again, taking a look at the back of the Sea Ray 280 SLX. Nice big swim platform, transom walk-through on your starboard side. You've got your sea deck accent options all throughout your swim platform as well. Right here, we've got the submersible swim platform that will drop down just barely underwater. Perfect for hanging out when you're swimming, chilling, relaxing. Great option to have. Guys, this boat is powered with the Mercruiser 8.2 MAG, 430 horsepower, counter-rotating prop. Plenty of power, great performance. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 280 SLX. We're going to take a look at the bow. Beautiful boat, guys. Plenty of room to fully stretch out. You've got drop-down armrest on both sides. Plenty of cup holders throughout the whole boat. This boat has the anchor package up front, which has the windlass with remote. Perfect for hitting the sandbars and securing your boat. Also have a freshwater wash down right here. Nice center walk-through windshield that takes you back to the cockpit. Taking a look at the cockpit, you'll see side-by-side captain's chairs. At the helm, you've got a wide captain's chair big enough for 2 passengers with a nice bolster seat. This boat does have the Essential Bundle, which has the twin Simrads, has upgraded stereo, and the full lighted helm. Taking a look at the cockpit, you'll see a nice chase lounge. You've got a table here, which is the teak table option. Plenty of storage underneath all your seats. Storage in the floor. Full-size bimini top, guys, that also expands back. Wonderful boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.